Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ali Sultan and I am student of Rehan School Foundation level at Islamabad campus. And today I am going to share my review of the TEDx talk Inside the Mind of Master Processor by Tim Urban. I watched this interesting and intimate talk and I learned a lot about processing and why people sometimes daily important tasks even when they know they should start them. Tim Urban explained prospecting is in a funny and easy to understand way. He described how a person can have a rational discussion maker, instant gratification monkey, and panic monster in their mind. These idea help explain why we some things choose internet to or easy activities instead of doing important work. The rational decision maker want us to make good choice and complete our responsibilities. However, the instant gratification monkey want to do what were feel fun or easy right now because of their we may spend time watching video, using social media, or doing other activities instead of starting our work. The panic monster appear when a del- decline become very close at the point. The fear of not finishing the task can motivate us to take action. However, disappointing on last minute process is not always a good stage because it can make work stressful. One of the biggest lesson I learned from this talk is that process can prevent us from using our time effectively. When we responsibility delay upon task, we may miss opportunities or create unscared stress of our sleeves. And overall, inside the mind of a master processing was an educational interneting and throws proven talk. The main lesson I learned is that instead of constantly daily important tasks, we should start early, manage your time wisely, and take small steps toward our goals. Thank you for watching my review TEDx talk. My name is Ali Sultan and I am student of Rehan School Foundation level F at Islamabad campus. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.